What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Sony WF-1000XM3 true wireless earbuds. They have active noise cancellation. They've got 6 hours of charge time, of playback time, which is drastically better than on some other competing earbuds. And from what it looks like, they've got 18 hours of battery life inside the charge case. So 6 hours inside the earbuds themselves, 18 hours with the charge case. They're Bluetooth, they work with the Google Assistant, they should work with Amazon Alexa, they should also work with Siri, and if there's any other voice assistants out there, they should work with that too, but I'm pretty sure those are the only three. But let's go ahead and rip off this plastic. No knife needed today. And they should just slide right on out like so, and here they are. And all you have to do is lift open this tab, and here they are. So they're not in the wireless charge case, which is really nice. So that means if they're sitting on the shelf for a while, you're not gonna have a problem with them being burnt out or anything like that. What else do you get in the box? If you just lift open this tab here, quite a lot of stuff in here. What's really nice is they give you a ton of added ear tips. So that's really nice. That is really welcomed. Of course, you get the user manual here, which, as you can see, is pretty thick. There's probably a lot of information in there. And last but not least, at the very bottom of the box, you get the USB Type-C charging. You get the USB Type-C charging cable. Okay, so I just connected the WF-1000XM3. I took them right out of the charge case. They turned on automatically, which was really nice. I did not have to worry about that. There is no proprietary application. Well, actually, I'm 100% positive there is a proprietary application, but there isn't anything on the box that says to download the proprietary application. So I'm just gonna go ahead and connect them and listen to them like any other earbuds and let you know what I think. So, okay guys, so the verdict is in. These sound pretty good. Better than the AirPods. Well, I'm gonna have to save that for another video. The midtones are great, the active noise cancellation is great. I actually stepped outside for a few minutes. I actually live on sort of a busy street, so there were a few cars that went by. I have a water fountain outside. Any type of noise that you can imagine seeping through and blocking out your music, blocked out by the active noise cancellation on the Sony WF-1000XM3s. Not as confidence inspiring to have in your ear as, say, the Apple AirPods, but are they better than the Apple AirPods? Well, I'm actually going to compare these to the Apple AirPods in a later video. I've got them right here. Well, as you can tell, the charging cases are a little bit different, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and compare them in a future video. For now, that has just been an unboxing and a first impressions of the Sony WF-1000XM3s. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.